Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Soulvester from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off near the top and let's draw the helmet. Let's draw a curve across in the center. And then let's angle it down on both ends. Now from each end, let's bring it down. And then angle it up, meeting at a point in the center. Now top inside and let's draw a square shape in the middle here, with the curve at the bottom. Then let's hop out and let's draw two angled lines on each side. And then close them off to form two angled squares. And now let's color each of these in black. Now for the next part of the helmet, let's step in from the end and let's draw a curve on top and back down. Now top on top again and let's draw two small lines up and a curve across. Now let's continue the helmet underneath. Let's step in from the bottom and let's draw two angles down and in. And then let's angle it down and in again. And a curve across the bottom. Now top inside and let's draw two lines down from the top. And a large curve across. Now inside this section, let's draw the eyes. Let's draw two circular curves down from the top, like this. Then let's hop in and let's draw two circles towards the center. And color these both in black. And lastly, inside each eye, let's draw a line across at the top. Now top out and let's color the space around the eyes in black. And that's it for the face. Lastly, for the helmet, we're going to move to the top and draw the hair coming out. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a large curve over to the right and bring it down. And let's continue it down the right side with a wavy line. And curve it back in at the end. Now top back up to the top and inside, let's draw another curve up and bring it down. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start with a diamond shape underneath the head in the center. Now top out and let's draw a set of angles down. Then from the bottom, let's curve it in and back up on both sides. Now let's hop underneath and let's continue the armor. Let's draw two lines down And then at the bottom, let's angle it up, meeting at a point in the center. And then let's add a line down in the middle here. Now to continue the body underneath, let's draw a large curve down and back up. And color this bottom section in black. And that's it for the torso. Now let's hop out and let's draw the arms. On both sides, let's start with 2 lines down. Then underneath, let's draw an angle up, extending it past the top line. And let's angle them both down and in underneath. Now underneath for the hands, let's draw an angle in and back out. And then underneath, let's add a curve. Now let's hop out and let's draw an angle. And curve it back in and up. And that's it for the hands. Now let's hop back in underneath and draw the legs. Underneath the body, let's draw 2 angles down and out on the left and 2 on the right. Now let's hop inside each of the legs and let's draw 2 angles down and out like this. And then let's color both of the legs in black. Now to continue the boots, let's draw 2 lines down underneath each leg. And then at the bottom, let's draw a large curve up and back down. And a curve across to close off each foot. And that's it for Soulvester. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!